I'm Anil Kumar, and here we will learn a technique of selecting the best answer from a multiple choice question when it is based on trigonometric equations. I hope you find it really interesting. The question here is, the general solution for the equation cos theta equals to minus half is what? So we are given four options. Let's look into one of these. It says theta equals to pi over 3 plus 2k pi, where k belongs to integers, or theta is equals to 5 pi by 3 plus 2k pi, where k belongs to integers. So that kind of options are there, and the variation to this is theta belongs to pi by 3 plus k pi, where k belongs to integers. So as we note from here, there are two variations in these four options. So plus we have either 2 k pi or we have just k pi, right? Do you see k pi's? So that is one variation where we are adding k times, that is integral multiples of pi, or twice or the even multiples of pi. That is the one variation. The second one is that we have angles, which is 2 pi by 3, 4 pi by 3 combination, or pi by 3, 5 pi by 3. So that is how this question is organized, and that is how your question can be organized. Now let's look into the trigonometric equation. It says general solution for the equation cos theta equals to minus half. So when we say cos theta is minus half, we note few things. Cos is negative. If you remember the cost rule, which is like this, when is cos negative? Cos is negative when you are in quadrant 2 or in quadrant 3, correct? So you should be having the angle which is in either quadrant 2, it should be in both quadrant 2 and 3, not in 1 and 4, because it is negative, correct? That's the first part. And the second part to this solution is that what is the period? Now cos function repeats after 2 pi times the even number of pi, right? So that means we can cut down and we can say, well, the solution could be either A or B, because in A or B we are talking about a period which is 2. Do you see that? 2, right? So it is one of these two. Now let's look into the angle. Pi by 3 and 5 pi by 3. So pi by 3 really means that you are in the first quadrant, and 5 pi by 3 means you are in quadrant 4. So these are not the right options. When we say 2 pi by 3, we are in quadrant 2, 4 pi by 3 is in quadrant 3. So that is the right option. So we have B as the correct answer since it matches with both, right? Well, of course, you know that if you make a special triangle, right, and you need cos as half, then of course it is pi by 3 as your 1, 2 and square root 3 as your acute angle solution, right? Pi by 3 is the acute angle. So pi by 3 part is correct in all. Now from minus we get it should be in quadrant 2 or in quadrant 3, I should say and from time period it should be 2 k pi. So the correct option is option B, right? So that is how you're going to answer it. I hope that helps. Thank you.